So now that's exactly what talking about Pepe coin. Pepe coin has recently seen a little bit of a pullback here, but we're starting to notice a possible pattern or issue that's coming along with Pepe. I do kind of want to talk about it. So Pepe has been currently falling around 13% within the last 3 days and 8 hours. Pepe has been kind of red as a lot of the other market has been kind of consolidating, pretty much staying pretty steady. So what I think is happening to Pepe currently is right now we're attempting to see that this double bottom pattern. If we're not going to see this double bottom pattern, there's a potential that we might pull back to that 1950 range. As you can see here, this support line 2018 is definitely going to be one you guys really want to watch out for. We did break the trend line here. Once we broke the trend on the indicator, you can see that we had pulled back. That pullback is definitely going to be something that we have to take a look at. So it was going to be a cup and handle pattern. So once it broke this trend, it broke the handle. So the handle itself indicates that the formation of Pepe is now going to be going into a bearish pennant. And that's kind of what you're seeing here. And now we're kind of in this consolidation period. That consolidation period on Pepe is definitely going to be volume related. Before I go on further, I just want to mention I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So make sure you do your own due diligence before investing in the stock or the crypto market. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps out the channel tremendously. So right now with Pepe, according to Coinbase, there's not enough data for the typical hold time on Pepe's volume, though, in the last 24 hours is 4.5 billion. That means there is a lot of money moving in Pepe. There's a lot of money moving out of Pepe. So you can see that a lot of traders are trading this coin. Whenever it does kind of see a run, that's when you see a lot of FOMO and emotional traders. When it starts to kind of have that pullback period, like a loss of 13%, that is whenever you start to notice that some people will start to panic sell, and think that it's just going to continue to dump. We have to find that consolidation period, let the RSI cool off and stuff like that. Popularity on number Coinbase, it is now in the top 20 on Coinbase. Currently, popularity is number 18 with a market cap of 8.5 billion. With the volume being as close as it is to the market cap, there is a potential that money could be moved very quickly, that this cryptocurrency could drop or could rise very, very quickly. Right now, we're starting to see a potential attempt of a doji candle. It doesn't know which direction it wants to go from here. If we continue to bounce above that 2018 mark, there's a possibility of getting back to that 2160. Going to be a massive resistance. If we do break that, 2314 is very, very possible, making around a 15-20% gain. But if we see it kind of break below this 2018, you could potentially see it kind of pull back down into the 1900s and 1800s. And it could happen very, very quickly. Pepe dropping maybe 5 or 6% just using analysis alone and not a volume-based or catalyst trade here. It is definitely just going to be a volume-based trade. As you can see, there was a lot of sell volume, has some buy volume there, and the volume currently is kind of staying pretty steady, but we started to see the most volume as soon as the stock market has closed. With this fake out of the cup and handle, there is a possibility that you're going to see more of that. You're going to see more fake outs in the overall crypto market. What that does is causes some traders to lose some money along with other factors that come along with it. Pepe coin, though, is definitely going to be one we have to watch right around this range of the 2018. I talked about it in my previous video. If you watch my previous Pepe video, that it is possible that we break below that 2018 or even get close and kind of use it as a support. That's the consolidation period there. We consolidated a little bit there. There was traders making around 3 to 5% gains and was continuously moving money. As you can see, there is a $4.5 billion volume with it and pretty steady. That means a lot of people is getting in and out of the coin along with trading it in general. Remember, if you do like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe. I am not a financial advisor. Join the Patreon with a link down below. For $1 per day, you can receive the trading indicator access. You can also get private Discord access and get alerts as well. Check that out with a link down below in the description. So my price prediction on Pepe is getting closer to that 2314 range here. Is going to take a little bit. We're going to need to see some volume and some overall crypto market to kind of increase. Some cryptocurrencies right now are kind of pulling back. There is some well activity that is currently going on right now in a lot of these other cryptos, moving into Shiba, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and you can see here Ethereum's down 1.5, along with Bitcoin being up in the green 1%. So there it is, guys, my Pepe price prediction, also the latest Pepe news. Make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.